morning class. Today we will discuss last chapter of second unit, chapter number 7, rescuing Mesua. So in last chapter we have discussed that with the great planning, Mowgli killed Sher Khan, and up to that we have studied that he killed him. But what happened after it, we will know in this chapter. So this chapter starts with Mowgli took his knife and started to remove Sher Khan's skin. So what he is doing now, he is removing Sher Khan's skin, and at the same time one hunter from the village comes there and says that he wants the skin of Sher Khan and tell the villagers that he has killed the Sher Khan and show his braveness to everyone. But Mowgli was not afraid of him. Instead of it, he was very angry on that hunter. So, who is hunter? Hunter is a person who hunts the animal and birds is known as hunter. So, within a moment, Akela pulled that person on the ground, and he then keep his both the feet on him and showing his angerness by showing his teeth to that person, to the hunter. As the hunter saw all this, what was happening with him, he was so afraid and begged to Mowgli, Akela, and Gray to let him go. He don't want to be killed by this wolf. So Mowgli says to Akela that let this person go to the village. Then they removed the skin of Sher Khan and went to the village. As they entered the village, not they, as Mowgli entered in the village with the group of cows and bulls, the villagers were saying that this boy is wolf's child. He is talking to wolves, so he must go back to the village. You must be thinking that how they came to know this thing. The hunter told them that the boy was talking to wolf, so that's why the villagers were saying he is a wolf child and he should go back to jungle. Mowgli, who was very angry, he said, "Not again. Last time they send me away from the jungle. It means the wolf said that you belongs to a man's category, so you have to leave jungle and go to the village. And this time you are sending me to the village by saying that I am a wolf's child as I am talking to wolves." So, due to this reason, he was again so angry that they sent me to the village and now villager want me to go back to jungle. And finally, he came back to the village along with Akela and Gray. During night, Mowgli met to his mother along with his two wolf brother and tell to mother wolf that he has left the man's group and now along with this he has killed the Sher Khan and bought his skin to wear as a as my coat. As I have promised, I have completed my promise. Now I am here to stay in the jungle forever. The mother was so happy. Her eyes were shining with the happiness, with the brightness when she learned that Mowgli killed Sher Khan. And she tells to Mowgli that when he was a child, she said to Sher Khan that one day this child will kill you. And today you have completed that words. Bagheera too came to meet Mowgli and he was also praising his braveness that he has killed the Sher Khan. Then they all together went to the place where all the wolves set for meeting, the place where Council Rock people gathered together. Now this council is having no leader, as Akela was retired, as we have discussed in the earlier chapters, and Sher Khan was the new leader of Wolf. Now Sher Khan is no more, and Akela is the retired leader. So the chair, or we can say place of the leader, was free. Mowgli placed the skin of Sher Khan on that stone where leader used to stand, and he was dancing on his skin. Akela and Grey was making noise in happiness. Next day, while Mowgli was sitting with his family and sitting with his family along with Bhalu and Bagheera, and all the animals of jungle want that Mowgli should come back to the jungle. At the meantime, they heard and smelled the animals or the men's once again. क्या हुआ है उनको? while they were sitting, उनको इंसानों की आवाज़ और स्मेल आ रही है, and they all became attentive. Mowgli at the same moment came was knowing that and said that they are here for me, as they want to kill me. But his brother assured him that don't worry, we will kill them before night. But before doing anything, Mowgli suggested them to watch them carefully for what purpose they are here, and they heard that the person who was and he was saying to them that Mowgli is a wolf child, and उसने क्या किया है, उसने शेर खान की स्किन ले ली है, जो कि मैंने जिसे हंट किया था उसकी स्किन उसने ले ली है, और वो वॉल्फ का बच्चा है. उसकी मदर मीन्स मैसुआ and her husband were locked inside the hut as they were trying to stop the villagers for not killing Mowgli. So they uh, locked them inside the hut, and they were making the plan that after killing Mowgli we will kill them too. Now Mowgli was worried about Mesua and her husband, and he wanted to help them. So they went to the village to save them from the wolves. It was dark, means it was night when they reached the village, and they Mowgli saw from the window that they tied up Mesua and her husband inside the hut. So, like Ka, he went inside the hut and opened the